Most portfolio websites are boring, static, and instantly forgettable. So I built a scroll-based storytelling portfolio where the character literally comes to life and says, "Hi." As you scroll, the story unfolds, the animation plays, the text appears, and everything feels cinematic. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this using Whisk, Flow, and other tools, and Antigravity, where prompts everything works. Before that, in the description, you can find the assets like prompts and everything I used. So grab that too, and yeah, let's go. Whenever someone comes to your portfolio, it is better to say hi, right? So that's why we are gonna create an animation where you, or here I'm gonna take an example as someone random person profile I got from free pick. I'm gonna use him and make an animation of saying hi. For that we need frames to create the animation, and that's what we're gonna do using Whisk. Come over here, enter tool. Here we're gonna add the subject, and I'm gonna add a random person image I got from free pick. So I have added that. Now let's paste the prompt one by one. So here are the prompts, the first frame prompt and second frame prompt and third frame prompt. I'm gonna paste the first frame prompt, copy that and come over here. This is Whisk, I mean it's full frame. And then I'm gonna just paste it and end. It is loading. In that time, let's copy the second frame and come over here. This second frame prompt, copy, and yeah, as you can see, this is a person, and yeah, without glasses. That's what we needed. So first animation is the person without the specs. Then the second frame should be the with the specs. Second frame should be like the person is going to wear the specs, and the third frame is the person saying hi. We got the first frame, and I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna just delete this and upload this image here. So we have uploaded that image. Now let's paste the second prompt. For that, just delete this prompt and paste that second prompt. And this is the prompt that give you the person is kind of going to wear the specs. Okay, so let's just enter. So in that time, loading time, let's copy that third prompt. And this is the third frame prompt, copied and full frame. So here you can see the person is going to wear the spec, and this one is still loading. Okay, it's loaded, and here I'm gonna be downloading this one. I'm just gonna download that, and here I'm gonna add that. So we have added that as subject, and delete this prompt and enter the third frame creating prompt, enter. And in that time, let's copy that animation creating prompt. So here I will add the link in the description. You can download that of this Notion template. So we got the frames, and here it's kind of good smile. So I'm gonna be selecting this one. Okay, download. Now we got the three frames: the start frame, the mid frame, and then frame. Now let's go to flow to create the animation. And this is flow, and let it load. Yeah, we're gonna be using Nano Banana too. And here new project, and I'm gonna change this to ingredients. Now let's add the first frame, second frame, and third frame in order. Okay, the first frame is this person without wearing any glasses. Someone is going to wear glasses, and the third frame with glasses waving. Now paste that animation prompt here. This is animation prompt. I will add the link in the description. You can download that, and then just enter. And we got our animation video, and here as you can see when I play this, and then you just watch it clearly. Okay, you can see that person is talking, and we don't want that. Okay, you can use that if you want, like you can add text in the right moment by name or something, but here I'm gonna be using this animation without saying anything, just his waves, and that's it. Simple as that. Now let's download this. Download in 1080p. Downloading. Now let's convert this video into image sequence, and this is Ezgif. Here I'm gonna upload the animation video, and I have added the file. Now let's upload the video, and after uploading it will take you to this page, and here we can select the start frame and end frame. I'm gonna leave it like that and increase the frame rate to 30, and then convert to JPG file. It will load everything, and then download a zip file and extract it and add to Antigravity in public folder, and paste the prompt and get it done. That's what we're gonna do. So this is the files, and in the public folder let's add the images. So in the public folder I have added the images. Now let's first audit the whole code, and here paste a prompt. This will run as I audit, and I will get back to you after finishing this. So we got our result, and this is a storytelling animation, but there is some fixes. The header need to be changed, and this text I don't want to see that. And let's remove all that and patch it up. And I have fixed that, and I also add that prompt in the description. You can take that. So when we scroll, I'm going to scroll. So watch closely. So I'm gonna scroll now, and here I'm saying, wait, let me wear my specs. I'm gonna wear is the specs and say hi, I'm Akshay. And then he gonna say I build cinematic web experience and scroll driven interactive premium. Yeah, just like that. And the header back on, and now let's scroll down, we can see, and the image should be changed. So I'm thinking about changing that. And this is also a scroll driven section, and when we scroll down here we can see select article, we can slide that. Okay, I'm gonna add some images here. I don't like these generic images, so let's add that. Using free pick, I create all the assets and added to the anti-gravity, and here's the result. Okay, I'm gonna scroll now. Watch closely. So it's saying, wait, let me wear my specs, and gonna take out the specs and wear it, and then say, hi, I'm Akshay. And then I build cinematic web experience and scroll down interactive premium websites. And now when we scroll down, he says hi, and then gonna go down, and then you can see the cards are really changed. And when we scroll down, you see how premium it looks, and it's clean and super interactive. And when we scroll down, we can see all the central article frames are changed. I changed that, and it's white, so it gives that professional look. And we scroll down, that this is the section we can send message to, and the footer, that's it. We created this animated scroll driven website using anti-gravity and Gemini. This is how you can create wonderful scroll driven storytelling animated websites. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to get the assets and try to your own.